Hello everyone. Now this is number 4. Continue from number 3 of Monbukagakusho 2015. And actually at this number, when I look at the answer key, so I had tried this question. Well, actually there's a mistake at this question apparently. So actually this logarithm 2 is actually did not present, right? Let me show you the original question. So they say there's some function fx with logarithm 2 and others, and has the interval of x greater than what as its maximum domain on real numbers. But as I had done, but the answer is not come up in the answer key. And anyway, when I actually erase this logarithm 2, the answer is there are the answer in the answer key. Okay, so I erased the logarithm 2, and now, okay, let's continue. Now, to do this question, we make logarithm 3, and we're gonna rewrite the question so we can easy to proceed to the next step. Now we make this function is greater than 0 because the maximum domain on real numbers, so it cannot be negative, and also the real numbers of x cannot be negative, right? Because logarithm cannot be negative and also cannot be 0. That's why I make greater than 0. What I mean is logarithm of something negative, for example negative 10, is nothing, and nothing. The answer of logarithm 10 is undefined. Same as to go as logarithm 0. These two is undefined, so they have nothing to do with logarithm. So that's why I made it greater than 0. So for this particular question, let me explain you something basics of the identity of the logarithm itself. Now logarithm a, b, so this is the example. If this is equal to c, then the original identity is a to the power of c is b. Same as to go with this example. Logarithm 3 of something, let's say we simplify this to be z, and it's greater than 0. That means 3 to the power of 0, z is greater than 3 to the power of 0. So we can substitute log 3, and we can take out this log 3, become log 2, log 3 of log 2x greater than 3 to the power of 0. Now this 3 goes to the right and directly powered. So log 2 of logarithm 3 of logarithm 2 is greater than 1. And now we're gonna continue again. So log 3 of logarithm 2x is greater than 2 to the power of 1. See, the 2 is directly powered. And logarithm 3, logarithm 2x greater than 2. Now we continue again. Logarithm 2x is greater than 2 to the power of 3. And 3 to the power of 2, excuse me. Then we're gonna find x is greater than 2 to the power of 9. X greater than 512. So this is the original answer when I look at the answer key, which is this one. But if we actually included this logarithm 2 from the start, it would have been look like this. So I just simplify that to 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, right? And it's greater than 0. So if I make this at the usual step, it would be 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, and then 2, 3, 2, 3 to the power of 1 is 1, and then 2 to the power of 3 is 8, and 2 greater than 3 to the power of 8, it's getting bigger. And then we got x is greater than 2 to the power of 24. Well, actually I did get this at my first try, so I think that might be a mistake, and I look at the sources from the internet. Well, maybe there's a mistake in this question. Anyway, guys, this question might be wrong, or maybe the answer key didn't put the correct answer. But had the question be this way, so fx is logarithm 3 logarithm 2 logarithm 3 logarithm 2 x is greater than 512. So this is number 4, and next video would be number 5.